morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss about e-business model and its types. A business model is a set of planned activities designed to result in a profit from the marketplace. The e-business model, like any business model, describes how a company functions, how it provides a product or service, how it generates revenue, and how it will create and adapt to new markets and technologies. An e-commerce business model aims to use and leverage the unique qualities of the internet, the web, and the mobile platform. Mainly, there are 8 key elements in a e-business model. They are a revenue model. A revenue model is a framework for generating financial income. It identifies which revenue source to pursue, what value to offer, how to price the value, and who pays for the value. It is a key component of a company's business model. It primarily identifies what product or service will be created in order to generate revenues and the ways in which the product or service will be sold. Without a clear and well-defined revenue model and without a clear plan of how to generate revenues, new businesses will more likely to struggle due to costs which they will not be able to sustain. By having a clear revenue model, a business can focus on target audience, fund development plans for a product or service, establish marketing plans, begin a line of credit, and can raise capital too. There are 5 types of revenue models, namely advertising revenue model, subscription revenue model, transaction fee revenue model, sales revenue model, and affiliate revenue model. First one is that advertising revenue model. Generally, there is always a commission charged to advertisers to put up their advertisements in a well-known online marketing platform. This is the classic principle that is being followed for the businesses categorized for the advertising revenue model. They take advantage of the huge traffic who regularly visits the chosen platform to shop around, see the ad, and get redirected to the actual site. Businesses following the advertising revenue model presents an indirect way of earning revenue through a digital platform. These are paid according to the traffic that is driven from the platform through the ads. Second one, subscription revenue model. As all of us have heard about Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube Premium, etc., who will let you enjoy their unlimited services through their platforms. These e-commerce business models charge their users or rather subscribers based on certain interval of time, maybe daily, monthly, or annually, for availing their services. The service offering of these companies generally include music, videos, TV channels, magazines, etc. And these services are offered to the subscribers for a price to watch, listen, or to get the latest edition. Next one is transaction fee model. The e-commerce business following transaction fee revenue model charges a fee to a seller for every transaction made through them. They are the payment companies that provides the payment gateway service to the e-commerce business platforms. Generally, the profit is derived through enabling or executing transactions. The operator provides a platform for the e-commerce marketplace through which the transaction can be completed. Now, the necessary steps include registering of the vendor and the operator so that the identities are kept intact that may be later required for a business. The model has proximity to the affiliate market but is somewhat different. Example of transaction fee revenue model is the PayPal. Fourth one, sales revenue model. This is the most commonly followed e-commerce business model where wholesalers and retailers sell their product over the internet, intending to reach out to a large target audience. Also, more importantly, This model brings in convenience for the customers as well as saves time for them. Prices are often competitive in comparison to the actual store price. The business following the online sales model often comes with marketplaces as common entry points that allow them to deal with the various product vendors, allowing them to grow the marketplace and therefore can earn more income. Last one, affiliate revenue model. Merchants and vendors partner up with well-known e-commerce platforms to advertise and sell their product, giving them a percentage of the profit as a commission. Affiliate marketing is a well-known way of inviting as well as driving quality leads into their business. The process basically works as a link that is hyperlinked to the affiliate and is archived on a host platform that gets regular traffic. Any user who clicks to the affiliate link is redirected to their website where the product or service is cataloged. The affiliate or the merchant thus pays an agreed commission to the host operator who is carrying the link for every traffic driven. Amazon affiliate are well-known examples that let you affiliate your product links, and we have already discussed the first one, that is the revenue model and its different types of revenue models. Secondly, we are going to the e-business architectural model. In the e-business architectural model, there are supply and customer collaborations or interfaces. Supply collaborations are those that relate to business process, information technology, and data required to operate. Customer collaborations refer to the business process, rules, data, and information technology needed for sales, marketing, customer service, customer support, and business partners. Interactions in both types of collaborations may occur over the telephone, internet, or face-to-face. The interfaces used within the e-business architectural model direct and guide applications a company uses to help ensure cost-effective business solutions. Such solutions will help to meet the enterprise reliability, performance, and scalability requirements by having the ability to change in response to the changes in the market. This architectural model operates in three levels, namely enterprise level, functional level, and operational level. Enterprise level means the enterprise level of the e-business architectural model relates to the strategic direction of a company. This level helps in influencing business behaviors as well as supply and customer collaborations. In the enterprise level, supplier facing process help make supply chains, integrated product development, and procurement functional. It also assists customer collaborations in the areas of sales, customer relations, customer contracts, and marketing. Second one, functional level. The functional level of the e-business architectural model relates to the components of a value chain and discovers the main process-to-process relationship, include those that relate to customer collaborations, corporate functions, supply collaboration, and value chains. This level relies on focusing on the customer to find solutions, a real-time reporting of a competitive analysis, the ability to incorporate new technologies, and integrated data storage. E-business should use the same business process throughout the functional level. Third one, operational level. The operational level of the e-business architectural model refers to the detailing and documentation of integrations and process definitions within the different value chains and process areas. The operational level helps to define execution activities, process roles, control points, supporting applications, and process roles in order to promote consistency and integration by using the same web services, operating systems, and using a conceptual view of communication within the architectural model instead of the physical view. The third model is market opportunistic model. So we have already discussed the revenue model. and the second one business architectural model, and the third one is market opportunistic model. It refers to the company's internet market space and the overall potential financial opportunities available to the firm in the market space. And a market space means an area of actual or potential commercial value in which company intends to operate. And here it works through the rule of realistic market opportunity. It means the revenue potential in each market niche in which company hopes to compete. Market opportunity typically divided into smaller segments. And fourth one, competitive environment. It refers to the other companies operating the same market space selling similar products. It includes both direct and indirect competitors, and it is influenced by number and size of active competitors, each competitor's market share, and competitor's profitability. And fifth one is market strategy. The plan you put together that details exactly how you intend to enter into a new market and attract new customers. It details how a company intends to enter market and attract customers. Best business concepts will fail if not properly marketed to the potential customers. Example, YouTube having social network marketing strategy which lets users to post content on the site for free. Sixth one, organizational development plan. Development plan describes how the company will organize the work that needs to be accomplished. Work typically divided into functional departments like production, shipping, marketing, customer support, finance, etc. As company grows, hiring moves from generalist to specialist. Example, eBay starting out from one-person firm into a multi-departmental large enterprise. Seventh one, management team. It means that employees of a company is responsible for making a business model work. A strong management team can make the business model work, can give credibility to the outside investors, has market specific knowledge, has experience in implementing business plan. So a management teams or the employees of a company can be held responsible, or they can make a business model successful. And last one, value proposition. It defines how a company's product or service fulfills the needs of customers. It answers to the questions like, why should the customer buy from you? What will your firm provide that others do not or cannot? Successful e-commerce value propositions are personalization or customization, reduction of product search, price discovery cost, facilitation of transaction by managing product delivery. So now we have discussed about what an e-business model and what are the different types of e-business models. Thank you.